Hey folks, guess what I got from Amazon today from UPS? The Wally. You can look it up on Amazon as I guess Wally Love, and you're supposed to do this and then put this, and it cost me $4.49 to from eBay. Who knows how much shipping, but I don't maybe it was free. Kind of cool. Trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna put it up. Hope I don't mess it up. Wally was my favorite movie, so I'm very excited about this. Put my car, make it look pretty. Next step, I'll edit it and see what happens. Bye. Hey folks, I put it up. Only problem I had was this right here. I tried to do my best to try to fix it, and when the hearts came kind of like loose, so I had to try to do my best. So here it is on my car. Kind of looks nice next to my alien and it sticker. So it looks cool. That's what matters. So we the big fan of the movie? Let me know in the comment section. I also got this from I got talk about my T-shirt I got from that movie. So let me know. Like and subscribe. I got it for $5.49 from Amazon.com. Okay, thank you very much. But once when we do this, you gotta really smooth everything down. For some reason, this once again that came up funky. But the rest, yeah, I'm amateur. Respect. All right.